and you can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Let's check out the new Android 12 version first look and its features according to this screenshots leaked on the internet. And guys, before starting the video, I just need some support, so drop a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video after a short intro. As you can see here in this leaked screenshot, the entire notification panel UI is changed, and these quick setting toggles are reduced from the past 6 to 4, and we can notice that the toggles are changed with the accent color according to the wallpaper, and we can notice that when the toggles are on, the shape and the color is changed, slightly changed. And the next thing is the date and the clock positions are changed in the notification panel. And when it comes to the notification, we can notice that there is a separate section for all kind of messages, and there is and another section for the app notifications. And it seems that the Google may add new privacy features in Android 12. In this Android 12 version, we can get a warning in the top right corner indicates whenever any app uses the camera or the microphone, just like Apple's new iOS 14 features. But in these screenshots we can see that the camera and the microphone icons at the top right corner, and we can easily notice whenever any app uses the camera or the microphone without user's permission. So it's a great feature. When we click on this warning indicators, we can see there is a notifications that saying that which app is using the camera and which app is using the microphone. And guys, finally the home screen is here. We can see that the pixel icons are replaced with this new kind of icon pack, and there is a search widget color is changed according to the wallpaper color, and at the top we can notice that there is a new timer widget which looks absolutely minimal, and these quick notification widgets are added, and the widgets are just like Apple's new iOS 14 widgets, and we can also remove those widgets if you don't like. And that's it guys, our first look video on the Android 12 version is over. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.